Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 5th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar yen did bounce a little bit today, but it still has not been able to engulf up. Because of that, I mean, the trend is definitely still down, and it definitely could continue down. I still think it would make sense if this made an ABC like that, but I'm definitely not trading to the long side until the market tells me that it really is making an ABC. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, if the market really is going to continue down, then this move up right here is just going to be a pullback to this last move down. Get your Fibonacci retracement on there. Look for a Fibonacci bounce. Look for a nice engulfing break of structure to the downside. If you do get something like this, especially if it's like that, like a little double top at a fib level, then it probably is going to continue the downtrend. On the other hand, if it takes out this high right here, then I think that would be the evidence that we would need to start looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.